Finding the best NutriBullet blender can feel confusing when every model looks the same. The best ones blend smooth, clean fast, and fit well in busy US kitchens where quick meals matter. I've used several NutriBullet blenders over time, and small details like motor strength and cup design make a real difference. Let me share what I've learned so you can pick the right one with confidence. And all product links in description, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 7. NutriBullet Triple Prep System Blender. NutriBullet Triple Prep System Blender feels built for people who want one tool for many kitchen jobs. Many users talk about smooth blends with no gritty bits. Switching between jars feels natural after a short learning curve. The Smart Vessel Recognition System helps guide each task with clear signals. Smoothies turn silky fast. Soups blend evenly without strain. Food prep feels quicker on busy days. Cleaning stays simple since most parts rinse easily. The base feels heavy and steady on the counter. Noise exists but matches power level. Touch controls may feel sensitive at first. Once learned, the flow feels easy. Families enjoy flexible batch sizes. Storage stays neat with stackable parts. Price feels fair for the range offered. The high-power blending motor handles thick mixes well. The dishwasher-safe, durable containers save time after meals. Overall impressions show a versatile kitchen helper that rewards patience and daily use. Number 6. NutriBullet Flip Portable Blender. NutriBullet Flip Portable Blender fits people who live fast and move often. Many users enjoy tossing it into a bag before work. It feels handy for quick shakes and simple blends. The cordless, travel-friendly design makes daily routines feel lighter. Smoothies come out smooth when ingredients stay reasonable. Ice blends well with patience. Cleaning feels simple after each use. Battery life lasts through several sessions. Charging stays easy with modern cables. The cup feels solid in hand. Some people notice the lid needs care when twisting. Frozen mixes can slow things down. Power matches its size well. Noise stays normal for a small blender. This blender works best for single servings. The strong battery-powered motor helps during busy mornings. The durable Triton blending cup holds up well over time. Overall, it feels practical for personal use with realistic expectations and gentle handling. Number 5. NutriBullet Full-Size Combo Blender. NutriBullet Full-Size Combo Blender feels made for busy kitchens that want one machine to do many jobs. Many owners share how smooth drinks come out fast with little effort. Switching between a large jar and personal cups feels natural. The high-power blending performance stands out during daily use. Frozen fruit breaks down well. Sauces turn silky without stopping often. Cleaning stays simple since most parts rinse easily. The base feels heavy and steady on the counter. Noise exists but matches the strength offered. Some users mention long-term wear needs attention. Size may feel large for small spaces. Still, storage feels manageable. The cups help with quick single drinks. The pitcher suits family batches. Smells during early use may fade with time. The dual-serving blending flexibility supports many routines. The dishwasher-safe, durable containers save effort after meals. Overall, this blender suits people who want strong blending with everyday convenience. Number 4. NutriBullet Pro Plus 1200-Watt Personal Blender. NutriBullet Pro Plus 1200-Watt Personal Blender fits people who like fast blends before work. Many buyers enjoy smooth drinks with frozen fruit. The motor feels strong during daily use. The high-power blending strength supports thick mixes without long waits. Cups feel handy for quick carry. Cleaning stays simple after busy mornings. Rinse steps save time. Sound runs loud during use. That may bother quiet homes. Some users report early breakdown. Careful handling seems wise. Size stays compact on counters. The base feels solid and steady. Pulse control helps texture control for dips. The quick pulse texture control supports chunky results when needed. Travel lids help busy routines. Durability feedback feels mixed across reviews. Noise level matches the strong output. New users learn fast without confusion. Smoothies turn creamy in seconds. Ice crushes without much effort. The easy rinse cleaning design reduces daily stress. Overall, this blender suits active lifestyles that value speed and simplicity. Number 3. NutriBullet Pro 900-watt high-speed blender. NutriBullet Pro 900-watt high-speed blender suits quick mornings. Many people like fast smoothies before work. The compact body fits small kitchens well. I hear users enjoy smooth drinks with fruit and greens. The strong blending speed helps mix soft items fast. Twist action feels simple for beginners. Cleaning feels easy after busy days. Rinse steps save time and effort. Color adds fun to the counter space. Some buyers note long life with daily use. Others mention early failure, which feels frustrating. Careful use may help durability. Noise stays moderate during blending. The cup size works for one person. This blender suits solo routines well. Frozen berries blend smooth in seconds. The easy twist control supports quick starts without buttons. Size stays light for storage. Packaging issues appear in a few cases. That may worry careful shoppers. The compact daily smoothie helper fits people who want speed and ease without learning curves. Number 2. NutriBullet Ultra Personal Blender. NutriBullet Ultra Personal Blender feels made for calm kitchens. I hear many people enjoy how quiet it runs during early mornings. That matters when others still sleep. The shape looks clean on counters. Space stays open. Blends come out smooth for daily drinks. Ice and frozen fruit seem handled with ease. The quiet motor design stands out for shared homes. Cups feel sturdy and safe for regular use. Cleaning sounds simple after busy mornings. The glow-style control feels modern and friendly. Some may wish for more manual control feel. Others may find the price high for one person to use. Still, value feels fair for strong results. The high-power blending strength supports faster teens. I like that the cup suits one serving well. Materials appear built for long life. Sound stays low while working. The sleek, space-saving body fits small kitchens with style. Number 1. NutriBullet Personal 600-watt blender. NutriBullet Personal 600-watt blender feels made for daily habits. Many people start mornings tired. This blender seems to help save time. Smoothies come out fast and smooth. Fruits and greens blend well for one-cup drinks. The size fits small kitchens with ease. Storage feels simple after use. The quick daily blending power suits busy routines. I hear cleaning stays easy after each use. That helps when mornings feel rushed. The cup works well for one-person servings. The blender feels friendly for new users. Some users mention long life with care. Others report break issues after months. That risk may matter for heavy use. Noise stays reasonable for a compact unit. The simple twist blend action keeps things easy. Frozen items blend with patience and liquid. The design feels practical, not fancy. The compact smoothie helper fits health-focused homes that want speed and ease without learning curves. Final verdict. If you want the best overall NutriBullet blender for everyday use, the NutriBullet Personal 600-watt blender is my top pick. It's compact, fast, and easy to clean, making it perfect for daily smoothies and quick meals in busy kitchens. For a more premium option, the NutriBullet Ultra Personal Blender stands out with quieter operation, stronger materials, and a sleek design, ideal for early mornings or shared spaces where noise matters. Both deliver smooth blends with minimal effort, just tailored to different needs and budgets. Want to compare current prices and see full specs? Check the links in the description for more details and the best deals available.